Yo, happy new year YouTube. What is up? EarnWithTodd here, and in this video, I'm going to tell you my trading journey of how I built a $100 account all the way with starting with a $10,000 account this year. Now, in this video, I'm going to share my complete journey. I want to give my thoughts, and I want to tell you the expectation if you're coming in for 2021 as a new trader. I want to tell you what you need to expect, and when I say new trader, I'm going to talk about anybody who has been trading for under 2 years. This video is going to be great for you because you're going to hear my journey. You're going to hear my thoughts, and I'm going to tell you how I built a $100 account all the way up to $10,000. But it's not going to be what you think. I didn't flip that $100 straight to $10,000. You're going to hear my journey right now, because I think the problem when a lot of new traders come into the industry, they see all these YouTubers making all this money, and then when they try to trade themselves, it's not as easy as it seems. They go on a lot of losing streaks, and they may even blow accounts and never trade again. So by listening to my journey, you're going to hear the realistic expectation of what emotions you're going to go through as a new trader for 2021. Now, I'm looking at a picture back from December 30th, 2019, where I started a $100 Metatrader account. There you can see it, my first trades were on FOREX pairs odd CAD, Euro odd, and I was just trading on one micro lot. And when I started that account, I actually had a Facebook group. It was a very small group, and I started doing my first live streams where I was trading live with this $100 account, trying to check out some diversion strategies. I did that for about 2 months until I finally found the strategy that I wanted to work with through 2020. And I'm not going to get into that strategy too much, but if you want to know what that exact strategy is, you can head to my website, kangaroohunter.com. And on that website, I teach a simple one candle price action strategy called the Kangaroo Tails. It's a very, very simple trading plan that anybody can understand, even if you're brand new, or whether you are looking to level up your trading experience or find additional trade setups. But over the first 2 months of my trading journey from January to February of 2020, I was finding that Forex pairs were just taking way too long to trade. And what I mean by I was having to wait 2 or 3 days just for a take profit to happen. And during that time, I transitioned from streaming on Facebook and I went over to Twitch. And within 10 months, I had built that Twitch community up to over 5,000 followers. And if you were back watching me on Twitch in March, you'll remember a period of time when we were trading Forex pairs. And because I was only on for like a couple hours, there just was not that many setups when it came to trading Forex. Like, I gotta say, the mornings were very boring. And this may surprise you, but in my opinion, if you have a small account, and by a small account, I mean by under $2,000, $3,000, there is absolutely no money to make in Forex, okay? Forex is basically the place you're gonna go and practice, okay? That's basically wiffle ball level trading. Like, we're sitting here waiting. I say, what is the point of sitting there for 2 or 3 days just waiting to make 20 or 30 bucks? I mean, you're going to wait 2 or 3 days. I mean, in my opinion, there's no fucking money to make in that. You can go ahead and debate me in the comments, but hey, that's just my view. We're going to get into why I think that. So after I went through that, I started trading the S&P 500. Okay, I dabbled in that right during when the coronavirus crash hit and actually put in a short. That was when the big corona crash came and the markets actually paused for the S&P 500 for about 12 hours. I remember it was about 5 or 6 p.m. I put in a short on just 2 micro lots. The next morning I woke up and boom, S&P 500 dropped 999 pips. I know it was 999 pips because I had my TP. For some reason, I put it down at 1,000 pips. I'll have that trade pop up somewhere. You'll see it on the screen. And I made $150 in just 12 hours. And right there, that trade opened up the can of worms where I was going to start trading indices more. Because that was the most money I'd ever made in a single day, let alone just 12 hours. So after I made that $150, I started diving into indices full time. I was like, okay, Forex, you had your time. You were cool to learn, but now I want to make some real fucking money. I want to trade these indices because indices are so volatile. And without volatility, you cannot make money. You may see on YouTube all these fake YouTubers showing thousands of dollars of profits trading Forex. But you know what? Those YouTubers don't tell you the way they make their money, okay? They didn't make their fucking money from trading. I can tell you that, okay? I've been in the affiliate and marketing game for about 7 years. Okay, I know how things work. These big YouTubers, they make money from affiliate signups, selling courses, selling I'm Academy or, some bullshit like that. And what they do is they'll take that money, they'll throw it in a trading account, and then they'll make these videos. Oh, I made this much money in Forex. But in reality, okay, they'll open up a $50,000 account. That was from affiliate income money. And they're going to make up this bullshit story about how they started with only $100 and now they built that shit up to like 50,000 under a year or 2 years or whatever it may be. I don't even have to name these YouTubers. You know who they are, unless you're naive and they're scamming the shit out of you. You know what? I'll just throw out some names, okay? There's a couple YouTubers you should look out to that are just fake, okay? Absolutely fake. One of them is Mamba FX. Okay, that guy did not make his money from trading. He made all his money selling a VIP group. Okay, I got private message, proof of all that. Another guy, Daniel Savage. Daniel Savage rents golden Lamborghinis, shows off large Forex accounts. So the point I want to make is, if you want to follow a successful trader, you got to forget the lifestyle, okay? All the distractions of people showing large accounts, rental cars that you can rent for a day, going to Airbnbs, that's not the reality of trading. I can tell you for a fact, because if you come into trading with the mindset that you're going to flip $100 into $10,000 overnight, you're going to fail. You're going to blow up your account. You're not going to achieve the goals you want to be. So with those points, I want to say you got to step back when you enter your trading journey. You got to have realistic expectations. Now, aside from that little rant of looking out for the people who flash lifestyles, if you want to know the reality of trading, guess what? Okay, you're going to come in with a $100 account if you're brand new and expect large losing streaks to happen, okay? If you don't lose 20 trades in a row, you're never going to learn anything. You're not going to learn risk management, because the reality is when it comes to trading, you got to get your ass kicked, okay? Losses are lessons. Okay, losses are truly not losses. They're just lessons. And I know a couple other people have said that on YouTube, but it can't be any more true. So back to my story of trading indices in the S&P 500. Once I made that $150, I started trading indices full time. Forex was put aside, and then I transitioned to trading on NASDAQ 100 and was hitting my take profit zones within an hour or two. Again, something I would never see in Forex unless I'm only trying to get 10 pips. But you know what? Why would I only want to try to get 10 pips when you can trade these indices and get 500, 600 pips within 10, 15 minutes? While risking the same amount of money, having the same risk rewards. Only difference is you're hitting your TPs 10 times faster. And by that time when I was starting to trade NASDAQ 100, I had started contributing to my account, and that's a big thing. If you want to grow your account, you got to deposit more money every single month, okay? I'll tell you why. If you come in as a new trader and you're a losing trader, by contributing, you're going to keep your account growing even if you are a losing trader. Psychologically, you're going to see your account balance keep getting higher and higher and higher every month, because you got to recover your losses, whether you're going to make a nice running trade or you're just going to deposit more money every month. And you know what? If you got old shit laying around your house that you could sell on eBay, sell that, put that money into your trading account. And it's important to have other income streams when you're trading, trying to build an account. I was contributing with money that I was making from a website called America's Card Room. You've probably seen some of my YouTube videos on that. But at the time, I was doing a lot of review videos for America's Card Room, and I was making a lot of good affiliate money. And what I was doing with that money is I was depositing every month into my trading account. And I kept doing that. And here it is January 1st, 2021. And come Monday, January 4th, I'm going to have a $10,000 account that I'm going to start brand new, fresh. Right now, I have $9,000 in that account. And when I look back at my journey of just starting with $100 just a year ago, and now the first week of the year for 2021, I'm going to be trading with a $10,000 account. Okay, that's just fucking crazy. Okay, there's no other words to say it. Like, when I started this journey a year ago, I was just thinking, you know, if I don't start a trading journey, what else am I going to do? I'm going to be living the same life that I am right now. I'm not going to get any better. So, you know, I just went with it. Started with $100. And if you would have told me a year ago when I had that $100 account that I would have 4,000 members to my website, kangaroohunter.com, I would have over 4,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I would have over 5,500 followers on Twitch, I wouldn't have believed you. I mean, the growth that I've experienced is just incredible. And, you know, I credit a lot of my growth to just being patient. You know, you got to hustle hard. You can't give up. You got to be willing to take 10, 20 losing trades in a row, get back on your feet the next week, and not let it phase you. And you know what? Back in 2019, I went through a full bankruptcy. I was down $50,000 plus. Here is 2021, and now I have over $72,000 saved through Bitcoin, through trading investments, through poker affiliate commissions. Okay, I only had $100 in my name last year. Right now, I have $72,000. That is a 72,000% gain. That is a 72,000% gain in just under 1 year. And I can tell you it was not easy, okay? I started my online journey back in 2013. I went through a lot of failures. I went through a lot of setbacks, but you know what? The most important thing is I did not give up. I went through the bankruptcy. I was down 50K. I felt like shit. And now in just a year time, my life completely changed. And I gotta say, it's possible for anybody to do that. So if you're brand new, it doesn't matter if you start with a $100 account. What does matter is that every month you keep contributing to that account. You keep proper risk management. And on risk management, I gotta tell you, if you wanna follow my exact recipe for success, I would say, do not risk more than 0.5% of your account in any one given trade. Okay, I'm gonna have a $10,000 account. I'm gonna be risking between 0.25% to 0.5%. I'm not gonna go 1 to 2% because I'm just not ready for that psychologically. And if you want to have realistic expectations of staying alive in the trading game, of not blowing your account, stick within those risk management rules, because I guarantee it, if you stick between 0.25% to 0.5% risk on your account for every trade, you will never blow your fucking account. Promise it. Don't break the rule. Don't try to get ahead of the markets, because you can have the best strategy in the world, and all it takes is one trade to take you out of the game and your account is blown, and the next day you're going to feel like complete shit. You want to avoid those feelings. Okay, I navigated it as a new trader for the last year. I didn't blow my account. I think my biggest losing streak was about 21 trades. Okay, it was frustrating, and I gotta say, and all of my trades are very transparent because I stream every single day on Twitch. You can see me trading on Twitch every morning. I go live right at the New York Stock Exchange Open. If I'm not on there, I'll be on within 30, 40 minutes. But I've been streaming since March on Twitch. And overall, I've been streaming since January. And I want to invite you all, if you've never seen my Twitch streams, you got to come hop on there, because we hang out as a community. We're trading. You're seeing me learn. You're seeing us catch some good trades. You know, I was only grinding for a couple cents on that odd CAD trade that I showed earlier. And now I'm regularly having $100 trades. I'm regularly having $100 mornings. So when you come in as a new trader, when you have that $100 account, don't have expectations. It's going to take a while to grow that account. Just be smart. So to sum this video up, this is a different video I've done. I've ranted a little bit. I shared my story. I haven't done this kind of video before, but I think I will do a lot more videos like this for 2021, where I'm just talking. You know, it's not about the highlights that I'm making. It's just about getting to know who I am. And my goal is to give you the most realistic expectation of what trading can be like if you only get to start with $100. Take my example, take my inspirational story, use that. I mean, if I can do it, you can do it. Why is there no reason why you can't have the same kind of success I had, whether it's going to be in a year, whether it's going to be in 2 years, or whether it's going to be in 5 years, okay? It took me 7 years to reach this point of having the success where I feel like the momentum is finally going to shift. And for 2021, I'm going to have the goal of turning the $72,000 I have right now into at least $1 million. I'm going to say it on the record here. I mean, January 1st, it's the most important day of the year to start off fresh, to start planting those seeds in your head that you're going to achieve the goals that you're looking for 2021 and beyond. But everybody, with that said, that's just about all I can think of to say. I mean, I covered risk management, told you my story of how I went from FOREX. I went straight to trading US 30. But I will add something about US 30. I mean, some days we're hitting 1,000 pips within 30 minutes. So if you're looking to get a lot of pips, come tune into those Twitch streams every single weekday. And you know what? I want to see some comments down below. I want to see some more people subscribe to this channel. I'm going to try to grow this channel to 40,000 subscribers this year. We're at around 4,300 subscribers right now on YouTube. But we're going to 10x everything, okay? We're going to 10x our fucking goals, and hope you're going to 10x your goals too. With that said, everybody, EarnWithTodd is signing off of this video. Have a great rest of the year, and have a great rest of the day.